Alright, for this video, we're gonna take a look at this channel, Calm Beauty 7 on TikTok, and how they bring free traffic to their affiliate links on Clickbank and potentially make sales. Now, if we first take a look at this channel, as we can see, they don't get many views, alright? They get 600 here, 300, 200, but if we scroll all the way down, the very first video, this one, 887k. Alright, so what they do essentially is promote a bunch of products at the same time on their TikTok page. Now, TikTok is geolocked, which means that which country you're from is going to cater to those people from that country. Alright, using VPNs, there were some workarounds that you can use, like a SIM card, like a US SIM card if you want to cater to people from the US. I'm not sure if that's what the person is doing here, but we're gonna dive deeper into it and see what we managed to find out. So I'm just gonna play the most popular video here and how they bring free traffic. Alright, so it's just this lady showing how she couldn't tie her pants or button her pants, and then later she manages to button them up. Alright, so that's the whole video. Okay, if we look at the description, as you can see, there's plenty of text in Arabic. Okay, and what does the description say? Exipure before and after. If you guys don't know, Exipure is a product which helps with weight loss. Okay, so she is essentially promoting this. Now, this video got 887k views, which is huge. Most of this is in Arabic, which leads me to believe that she is not catering to people from the US, but instead Arabic speaking people are watching this video. Now, I'm not sure how that translates to sales, okay? I don't know how many sales she made. But if we go to other videos, I'm just gonna play some other examples. As you can see, this video, world best coffee Java burn, 14 months transformation. Okay, if you want to take our product, then go to Insta bio. I don't know, it's just some copied and pasted video, most probably. So, but see, right here, people wanna purchase this product which she or he is advertising. So that's the whole idea of free traffic on TikTok. So people are actually curious to see where they can purchase this product. Where? Official website, link in bio. So you can't really, there is no link right here, but what these affiliate marketers do is they upload a bunch of videos promoting different products. As you can see, we had one video for Exipure, we have one for some sort of tea, and then just a bunch of other things, tea burn, as you can see right here. And this, I don't think this is what the person looks like, the person who's uploaded this video, but they just copy somebody's video and they upload it to their TikTok page. And as you can see, they have 85k likes, 2k followers, and they're following some people. Now, the most important thing here of how you can bring traffic is this link right here. If we click it, it's going to refer us to another page. All right, and this is basically like a link tree. These are all of the links of the things which they are promoting. As you can see, they're YouTube, misspelled, but YouTube. If we click on it, I already did this, so it kind of came as a surprise to me. This channel was terminated. Wow, who would have thought they were just advertising? But all right, so their YouTube is banned. But the other things, the other links, Exipure, her or his most popular video. As you can see, if we click on it, Exipure, it is a hop link. What a hop link is essentially just a link which is being tracked back to the person referring the people. So if somebody makes a sale, somebody buys something, they get a commission, they earn a commission. So this is a hop link for Exipure. With nearly 1 million views, they probably made some sales. I think that's safe to assume. T-Burn, again, hop link, Ibrahim. Dentitox, hop link, Ibrahim. So they are taking Clickbank products, baking or recycling videos, cutting them, adding some different things so they don't get copyrighted and taken down, and they make sales. That is how you do it on TikTok, apparently. I don't know how this channel is not terminated yet. I'm sure it's breaking some terms of service, but apparently if it works and it's still up, hey, more power to them. So this first video was uploaded on, all right, so what is this? So maybe like October last year. And the last one was maybe in June. All right, that's not too important, but the thing is they have over 20 videos right here, and people will get curious. Some people, there always will be some people who get curious and they'll check out the product and they might end up making a purchase. So that is how people get free traffic on TikTok, apparently. All right, so yeah, this was a case study of this channel, Calm Beauty 7. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Leave a like and sub on this video. Bye bye.